Everyone. So our today's guest is Ashish Chaudhary, who will be sharing one of his memory episodes from school life, I guess. So today in the walk the talk session, Ashish is going to share us something about his school life. So Ashish, please.
Thanks, Siddesh, for having me. So it's an episode from my school life that made everyone laugh during my school time. That I made a time bomb.
Time bomb?
Yeah.
What do you want to say? Matlab, please explain me what time bomb you have planted
Yeah,
there.
I will explain. By time bomb, I means using an incense stick and a firecracker. I mixed them both and made a time bomb.
That's not a time bomb, Ashish. That's a firecracker, but you are making fun of that. So, what did you exactly do?
During my school time, class time, it was a story from class 9th. So we made like I said, a time bomb from an incense stick and firecracker and put it in washroom. And we all were standing in the line, in assembly line in the morning, quietly, no noise, no smile, nothing at all.
And what happened next?
Whatever next will make everyone laugh. We were standing, it was time of morning prayer, and suddenly a loud noise came from the washroom. Everyone thinking, what happened, what happened? Everyone went to washroom to see what happened. But no one has any clue that what had happened, who is responsible for all these or nothing. Me and my friends are all standing there, just facing each other, smiling and everything else.
So, how did you manage to plant that and run away from that washroom? And how did that actually happen?
Yeah, I take a small incense stick,
Yeah.
break it in two parts.
Okay.
Then उसको मैंने जो incense stick थी उसको जला दिया.
Okay.
And then I put the cracker at the top of that and
Okay.
kept it in washroom. And we all friends came out of that, and it was like a time bomb.
Okay.
After some time, the incense stick will burn and the firecracker will also burn with
So,
it.
have you checked that whether someone was there in the washroom beforehand or not, or he might be afraid of that noise?
Yeah. We have checked that. We have planted at that time that all the students will be in the morning line. No one will around the washroom or no one will be in the washroom, so that no one will get harmed. So we had planned according to that.
Okay, that was quite a planning and plotting done for this kind of mischief. I believe that you were naughty in the school time.
I was a hell on notorious children at my school time. So we did all the things, but this was the special one that I had done in my school.
This is not special actually, Ashish. It's quite mischievous, and thinking about this, you might be now a bit, what we say, thinking that I was so stupid at that time, doing such notorious thing in the washroom or bursting crackers here and there. So after this, I'm asking you the last question that bursting a cracker might have spreaded rumors around your school, and teachers might have getting ideas about that कि हाँ इस बच्चे ने किया है या उस बच्चे ने किया होगा. So what were the consequences you have faced after this, if any rumors were spread or not? Please elaborate.
So rumors had been spread. Everyone knows that it was me and my gang. But there was
Your
no
gang?
Yeah, me and my group of 4 friends.
Okay.
So everyone knows that we had done, but there is no proof that we had done. No camera, we were no in the cameras. Any kind of trace is not there.
Okay.
So we didn't get caught.
Okay.
But every teacher knows that we are there behind this all the nuisance.
So didn't the teacher report it to the principal?
No, the teacher scolded us, saying, not officially scolded, but scolded in class that do not do this again, or in the class or in the premises of the school. Please, during Diwali, do this at home only.
Okay. So Ashish, after this, you might have learned something from your teachers. So what was the lesson that you learned after this?
The lesson was that okay, doing mischief in school is okay, but don't get others in between also. Like if someone had gone to the washroom and burst at that time, the person will get harm or any other thing can happen to that person.
Okay. So that's all for today's session. We had an amazing time with Ashish. So that's it for the Walk the Talk session. See you next time.